Hey everyone, welcome back to ArchiTools. Today we are diving into an important yet often misunderstood concept in Revit, Project North versus True North. Understanding the difference between these two is crucial for accurate project orientation and site coordination. So let's jump right in. In Revit, we work with two types of north orientation, Project North and True North. Project North is the default orientation that aligns with how your building is drawn on a sheet. It helps in working conveniently within the model. True north reflects the actual geographic north and is essential for proper sun studies, energy analysis, and site placement. By default, Revit assigns Project North to match the screen orientation. Here's how you can verify it. You can go on to the Properties panel and search for the orientation. Here you can see that the orientation is set to Project North. Now, how we can manage the or rotate our project north according to our requirement. You can draw a line for the reference, go to the Manage tab, click on the position, rotate project north, and pick the line or any reference on which you wanted the project north to align. Adjusting the true north. Now let's align the project with the true north. Switch to a site plan view. Under the properties, change orientation to true north. Go to the Manage tab, position, and rotate true north. Adjust it based on your site's actual north condition. This is useful for accurate sun studies, shadows, and energy analysis, making your design more realistic and functional. Why this matters? Using Project North correctly helps in seamless documentation, while True North ensures proper alignment with real world conditions like shadows and sun path, etc. Always make sure to coordinate with your surveyor to get the correct north orientation. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to manage both project and True North in Revit like a pro. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ArchiTools for more expert BIM content. Also, let me know in the comments what's the biggest challenge you face while working with True North in Revit. See you in the next video. Until then, keep designing, keep innovating.